Hey guys, stab in the eye here. What I have for you today is a challenge lock made by DerekM412's. This is a lock he made for his blue belt to fulfill the challenge lock requirement. Initially sent it over to TKO5479 and now he sent it to me. Here's the key, and it's a Kwikset keyway, KW1. Make sure that key works. Okay, it works well. Alright, let's see what it takes to get into this. I'm going to use a Peterson pry bar in 50 thousandths and a standard hook in 25 thousandths. I got a good false set there. Alright, and that's open. Alright, now let's gut this and see what's inside. Just going to get the C-clip off the back. And a follower. Pin 1 serrated. I'll drop pin 2. Pin 2 almost looks like a little spool. Oh, that was pin 4. Okay. Pin 3 is kind of like serrated and spoolish. Pin 4 is kind of spoolish. Let's see, pin 5. So pin 5's interesting. It's serrated and spooled. Alright. Now let's see what the driver pins look like. Okay. Kind of looks like a chalice. It's a very thin spooled. Okay. Pin 2. Serrated, spooled. Pin 3, serrated and spooled. Pin 4, very, very thin spool, so a lot of counter rotation. Okay, pin 5, kind of serrated and spooled a little bit. Get this last spring out. Now, I don't know if you can see in the video, but all the chambers are pretty threaded. Let's see if we can get a closer look. get a closer look at these pins. Alright, and that's it. That's u/DerekM412's challenge lock. It was a lot of fun. Thanks for sending it my way, and hope everyone has a good day.